Hi everyone, my name is Sig Hallgrimsson and I manage quality claims and technical services at Shnier. Today I want to discuss why it's so important to take the right steps when installing new flooring. Consulting the flooring manufacturer's installation guidelines before starting a job is crucial for several reasons. Durability and longevity. Proper installation ensures that the flooring lasts longer and withstands daily wear and tear. Incorrect installation can lead to premature damage, reducing the lifespan of the flooring. Safety. Properly installed flooring reduces the risk of accidents, such as tripping over uneven surfaces or loose tiles. Aesthetics. Correct installation ensures that the flooring looks good and fits well within the space's overall design. Mistakes can result in unsightly gaps, uneven surfaces, and misaligned patterns. Functionality. Proper installation ensures that the flooring performs as expected. If the installation steps are not followed correctly, several issues can arise. Gaps and buckling. Improper installation can cause gaps between planks or tiles and buckling of the flooring material. Shortened lifespan. The flooring may wear out faster, leading to costly repairs or replacements not covered by the warranty. Water damage. Incorrect installation can compromise the flooring's ability to resist water, leading to damage and mold growth. Uneven surfaces. This can lead to discomfort and safety hazards. The first step in ensuring a successful new flooring installation is to choose the right flooring to meet the space's specific needs. Select flooring materials suitable for the room's conditions, such as moisture levels and foot traffic. If you have any questions about product recommendations for a specific project, consult your Shnier representative or visit shnier.ca, where you can access product information, installation instructions, maintenance guides, and warranty terms and details. Doing it right from the start can save you headaches and ensure your flooring lasts. This is the new Shnier, 30 days of people, product, and purpose.